having avatar and social media form of thing. We'll be having the AR for avatars. Next, then we are going to have a VR training for stimulation of manufacturing system. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We'll be having the term call. We'll be having this next video. This is okay. This is lecture video series. We are going to see video number 3. The first is nothing but you are going to have prototype. Prototype is nothing but you are going to build a tangible, responsible ideas where we are going to have a, that is we are going to develop a scheme based on the ideate, and ideate we are going to develop it. Will be that adaptation here in here we are consisting of using low and high feasibility prototypes, that is using of Unity, Figma, or Shapes, XR, and extend specific designs. These methods uses a digital physical modeling and which focus on a unknown aspect like interactions. For example, it is a prototype of VR simulation or AR navigation app. That is, we are going to have a prototype. This prototype is being used based on idea sort of thing, where we'll be using the prototype tools like Unity, Figma, Shapes, or for extra designers. So what method you are going to implement is nothing but you are going to focus on the term called interaction. What another activity done by the user is being interacted with the system. So based on interaction, you are going to have a response of it. So the example for this prototype is nothing but you are going to have VR health simulations or AR navigation app. Okay, this is a testing. This testing prototype consisting of the term called feedback. That is testing. The main purpose of the testing is that you are going to have a valid prototype based upon a feedback. And this adaptation consists of simulations, stimulate interaction using the wizard, that is OS technique, and immersive setups. The methods used for this testing is nothing but you are going to have structured feedback loops that defined based on real world uses. That is based on a real one entity, you're going to based on the feedback given by the user, you're going to make the test whether it is been working or not. For example, will this AR will be testing in the term called test AR retail on try-ons for usability and VR training for effectiveness. So based upon the see, based upon the previous slide, we are going to have testing. This testing is based upon the users feedback. Okay, next we are going to implementation. Implementation is nothing but you are going to how you are going to implement it is, for example, this implementation is done by the real world scene. This has been done by our students of SNS College of Technology. That is, it is to really validate the prototype with user feedback. For example, this implementation consists of ARVR adaptation, that is Wizard OS technique. So when if you have a chance, you scan the first one. In the scan first one, you have the image sort of thing. A image sort of AR will be coming. This is a dinosaurus which has been present in a real world entity. Next, this scanning says about your there will be actors such as say actors which is face. So what and all actors are doing, just running, jumping activity is done by the actors, which is being seen or which is being shown in the AR entity. So this test details try on usability and VR training. That is the training will be given in an effectiveness manner. Next, we have a real world application. Our first real world application AR number you want industry maintenance, healthcare and medical field, and you have architectures, construction side. Next, main is objective education side, retail and interior designs. More next we have to come virtual reality kind of gaming entertainment purposes, training stimulation purposes, remote collaboration and therapy and phobia treatment. Virtual reality has been used mainly for it. That is okay. The main point of focusing on AR VR is nothing but there are numerous of real world companies which been used in it. For example, Google, Microsoft, PTC, Nynak are companies where they will be using the term called augment reality sort of thing. Whereas virtual is used by Sony, HTC Vive, Value, and Pico is used. So okay. Next things, both the companies which both use AR VR is nothing but your Epic Games, Unreal Engine uses both AR and VR. Okay. Our future invention of AR and VR is nothing but you will be using the term called metaverse, where the augmented reality and virtual reality mixed to form a extended reality, which is form of the form of metaverse. Okay. This is the summary mind map. Where the summary mind map, for example, you are going to define. Define is based on the user needs and goals. Next, you have a ideate. Ideate is based on a brainstorm and concept. Next you have prototype based on build and iterate. Next you have test, feedback, refinement. Next you deploy and maintenance will be there. Okay, this is important case study when mother meets recreation of this daughter after disease. That is that this daughter has been passed already, but what the thing is that through the VR we can able to get this daughter back, and this is the famous Korean VR is been present in YouTube, where you can be able to recreate numerous number of times in the form of VR. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. So let's innovate the connectivity to the form of AR and video VR. Thank you.